Hey there, Norman here from Wocode, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the drag and drop text feature. The drag and drop text feature allows you to quickly upload text files to add or replace content on your site. You can prepare your text outside of the builder and then import it instantly when ready. Here, I have my site content in a Google Doc. It includes different styling formats like H1 and H2 headers, bold, italic, and underlying text. These styles will be retained when imported into the builder, and each section is also labeled by page name, such as homepage or services page, so the builder can split the content into separate pages automatically. So now we just need to export the file as a Microsoft Word doc, which we can do by navigating to File, Download, Microsoft Word. All right, now let's head into the builder. But first, it's important to note that this feature is only available in Editor 2.0 and will not be available in the Classic Editor. So from the builder, let's start by going to our Content tab on the left-hand side, selecting Site Text, click Upload File, and then click the Upload a Text File option. Now you can drag your Word file into the window and click Upload. You'll have two options for the page type. One, which will treat the file as a single page of text, and Several, which will split it into multiple pages based on your file's content. For this example, we'll choose Several. And now we can see all of our site text that we've added. And because we chose the Several option for the page type, we can swap between each page's content using the dropdown. Now, to add the text to the page, we simply need to drag and drop the content onto a page to either replace existing text or add the text as new text to the page. You'll also notice that the formatting from your file will remain intact as well. It's also worth noting that you can only have one text file uploaded at a time. So to remove the current text file, you'll use the three dots in the site text panel to delete the existing pages, and you can then upload a new text file. And that's it. Your site copy has been prepped and uploaded in minutes, and it's ready to be added to your site. My name is Norman Durkee, and you've been rocking with the best website builder platform on the planet, Wocode.com. And as always, and until next time, if you have any questions, please reach out to support. We're always here to help.